Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread without baking powder. We'll focus on using baking soda, which needs an acidic ingredient to activate and create the necessary lift. This chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide bubbles, giving your bread a wonderful, airy texture. You can achieve a delicious, moist loaf even without traditional leavening agents. The secret to great banana bread without baking powder lies in your ingredients. You'll need very ripe bananas, ideally with brown spots, for their natural sugars and moisture. For the leavening reaction, combine baking soda with an acid like buttermilk, sour cream, or a splash of lemon juice mixed with milk. These ingredients work together to create a tender, flavorful loaf. Proper mixing is crucial for a light texture. Start by creaming your softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, incorporate your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully mixed before adding the next. Finally, gently fold your dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough banana bread, so be careful. Bake your banana bread in a preheated oven at 350 degrees F or 175 degrees C for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy your perfectly baked, moist banana bread. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.